Hi, Reno Nadiandi here, and today I will share you a photo manipulation trick to create stunning visual easily. So on your browser, go to canva.com and then click create design. I will choose Instagram post portrait. I will change the background to black. And then I will add this grass element. I will place it here, about like this. Okay, and then I will reduce the transparency to about 65, and then I will add this arch up frame. I will reduce the size. I'll place it in the center like this and increase the height. And then I will insert this starting football match element into this frame and then double click on it like this. Okay, click done. And then I will add this black gradient shadow. I will crop it about half and then I will rotate 90 degrees. I will increase the size and place it here. Okay, I will duplicate, place it here. I will move this frame to the front. Okay, and then I will add element of spotlight glow. This is reduce the size and crop it here. And then I will add this element, isolated silhouette man walking back view. Reduce the size. I will place it here, increase a little, and then select the man, duplicate and flip vertically and place it here so it will be the shadow of the man, and then increase the size and then make sure their foot is touch each other. Okay, and then I will type the text, enter, duplicate, I will type here the game. I will change the game font to ground font. I will choose here, let's see, the game. Okay, I think this zoom row is awesome. Increase the size of the text. Place it in the center. I will, okay, and then I will change this text color to this one. Okay, finished. So this is the tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.